Hello everyone, welcome to the conclusion of my Leatherman has gone rusty. If you watched yesterday's video, you'd have seen the state of that little Leatherman CS that I've got, and you think it'd been living outside, but it hasn't. Just as a comparison, I wanted to show you my Leatherman Sidekick. Now this one's been out in all kinds of conditions. It's got wet, damp environments. To be honest, I'd expect a lot more rust in this one, but you know, bar a couple of the little odd spots, it's absolutely perfect. I don't do anything special to this one, but I just don't get any issues with it. The only thing I can think of is that they use a different type of steel for this smaller multi-tool. Here's a quick recap. I soaked this little critter in white vinegar overnight. It's the 5% acidity one. And I've given it a bit of a clean. You can see from the staining on there where the rust has come off. I've just gone over the little man and I gave it a little bit of a scrub last night and I've left it. And now for some Rasp Prevention. I could use Vaseline or mineral oil, but I want to go for something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly if possible. So I've remembered I've got this. It's called Frog Lube and it's made in the USA. The Frog Lube I got from Henny Haynes in the UK. Oh, this must be about 2 or 3 years ago. Hi, it wasn't until I was editing this video that I realised how expensive this Frog Lube is. I've just checked and it's about £15 a tub. Now, I've had mine lying about for 2 or 3 years. There's no way I paid that kind of money. So if I'd have realised before I started doing the video, I'd have just used this stuff. It's cheap as chips and probably just as effective. It's supposed to be environmentally friendly. It's a nice green colour and it smells like some kind of medicinal cream. The thing it reminds me of is something called Savlon, which you put on cuts and bee stings, etc. It's like an antiseptic ointment. And that's exactly what this smells like. Just going to rub it in everywhere. And I'll keep using it as normal, as I usually do. Keep putting it in my pocket, etc. when I take it out. And I want to see in the future how long it takes for the rust to come back. Keep your hints and tips coming in for rust removal and rust prevention. I'll give you an update in a few months' time how this little critter's got on and also on how well the Frog Lube works. By the way, if you've used this stuff before, let me know how you got on. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. InfoZhed out.